Hello everyone. Welcome to this series of success story sessions. Today we have with us Yogesh Gore. Yogesh has done his BE in mechanical engineering. Then he joined 360DigiTMG. He got upskilled in the space of data science, and he joined AiSPRY as a junior data scientist. And today he is working with the third largest sports betting company of Europe, which is FEG, Fortuna Entertainment Group, as associate data scientist. I'm so very happy for you, Yogesh. And thank you for pulling off your time. And thank you for willing to share the best practices with the fellow students as well. Yeah. So my first question to you is, Yogesh, how was your journey from being in non-technical background, which is being a mechanical engineer, to getting into the field of data? How was your journey? Can you just explain a bit for everyone's understanding?
Okay, so I'll start from my core branch, which was mechanical. And the reason I shifted towards data science or AI for that matter. So in each and every sector, there is implementation of AI. So I got curious and I signed in for this particular program, which was provided by this. And when I started, it's a bit difficult for me because before joining this course, I didn't had any hands-on practice on any programming language. So for that, I need to get into do more hands-on in Python, mostly because it is now the most preferred language. Whatever thing you want to develop, people are going for Python and SQL if you are dealing with the data extraction or storing the data. And when I joined as a junior data scientist in AiSPRY, through AiSPRY, I was able to explore different domain because I worked in different projects which were belong to different sectors. Once at the beginning it was in a sport company itself, so that was a help. Then one was in automobile sector, and other two was in manufacturing. And through those projects, through that implementation and giving that solution and dealing with the stakeholders, I gained a lot of knowledge regarding the business things, because technically I was able to implement things, but when it comes to business, I was little business and communication, let's say, I was not that great. So I able to improve on that. That's it.
Wonderful, Yogesh. I still remember from the community, we were having a lot of conversations, right?
Yeah.
Ye karo, wo karo, do this way, do that way. You have to impress,
Yeah.
so on and so forth.
Yeah.
But finally, MD, Managing Director of Fortuna Entertainment Group, is really happy.
Yeah.
Right? With the way you gain the domain knowledge, and people keep saying, right? हार के जीतने वाले को क्या बोलते हैं? So I mean, you have skilled yourself to great heights. You put in a lot of effort. You worked on PySpark. You understood huge amount of data handling techniques, right? And very good job done. Nice. So the second question is, Yogesh, for people who want to get into this field, what will be your sincere advice for them? How should they prepare?
I would say you build things. Whatever you are capable of, build something. Build a chatbot, build some model, understand the data, build dashboard, do something. Just don't watch videos. Get some hands-on experience, even if it is let's say a personal project or a dummy project, but do it yourself. There are open source platforms available to build anything. For example, Hugging Face is there, which provides this API and the models if you want to build a chatbot. So building is the main thing. You need to build.
Wonderful. So simply put, you're saying that people have to have hands-on experience.
Yeah.
Right. Just watching theory lectures, etc. won't help. You have to put your hands on the keyboard, start doing something.
Yeah.
Right. That's so wonderful, Yogesh. So that's the golden feedback from Yogesh. Is saying that students who are venturing into this field, want to get into this field, the only way out is by building applications. Yeah. Yes. Be hands-on, not just theory focused. Thank you. Thank you so much, Yogesh, for pulling off time from your schedule and willing to share the success story. I truly appreciate.
Yeah.
And do stay in touch. Help a
Yes.
lot of other students get jobs in FEG and other companies. Thank you.
Thank you.